Hey everybody, Mother's Day is coming up this Sunday, so why don't we create a Mother's Day card and present that your mom is sure to love? Let's make a Mother's Day present. So we'll just ask it to make a card. What it seemed to make here isn't exactly what we're looking for, so let's make that a little bit more personable. I want to give it a GUI, a graphical user interface. And we want to ask for the favorite color, favorite flower, what your kids call you, and your kids' names, not in that order. But we will ask for those things and see if we can generate a nice card from that. So we will ask it for all these things from our mother, and our mom can make her own card, because after all, it is her day. Ask for all of these things, and we're going to presume that they're all accurate as our mom will be filling this out. I don't know why we're asking for the flower because it's not going to print any flower. Um, just not something nice to ask for. Let's see what happened here. So the term 7y is not recognized. I don't know what this is looking at. Hold up. So let's fill this out. Mother's Day, favorite color, red. Favorite flower, rose. Kids' names, Chad. That's me. And what do they call you? We call her mom. So we'll create the card. Here it is. To the world's best mom, for the love, laughter, and warmth you bring into our lives. Thank you for being the heart of our family. Happy Mother's Day with all our love, Chad. Well, that's lovely. Let's see if we can't fancy that up a little bit more. So we'll say, make it more like a real card. Color it their favorite color. That makes sense. Then let's go. Let's see what this does. We'll have to. Okay, so it's going to make our interface that color. Hopefully it makes our card that color as well. From Chad for mom, for pink rose, for all the love, laughter, and warmth you bring. But that's not that color. We don't want the GUI that color. We want the card that color. So let's tell it again. Nope, nope, nope. Didn't do that right. Let's go ahead and make that card that color. Card that color. Well, dark green, green, those all work. Light blue, that works. So at least it makes the GUI that color. Now let's try to make that card that color. Nah, no. Likes the lily. The lily's not mentioned. I want the final product to be that color. I don't want the GUI to be that color. Let's make that card that color. So here we go. We got some new code. Let's go ahead and try this. Once we get to the end of the code, we will copy and paste that right there into the new code. Close this and open up a new one. All right, it's not the color that we're asking for, but it says pink. Her favorite flower is the rose. Her kid's name's Chad. And what do we call you? We'll add my wife as well. Chad and Naz, and we'll send that to Nana. That's her grandkids know her. So that's pink. That's her favorite color, but it's kind of hard to read. We're going to go through this a little bit, and we'll try a few different versions. Then we'll come back with something that actually works. There it is. There's our card. We're going to have to stop our previous session. And here we go. Happy Mother's Day. It's not exactly what we're looking for, but it's a start. Okay, there's some graphics moving along the top of the window. I like that. But let's go ahead and try to get our box that we were looking for. We'll make the card and the gift. Here we go, some new code. We can go ahead and try this. Hopefully this should do the trick. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. She loves that pink. We'll try to make a yellow card with a rose. This computer's starting to lag a little bit, but we'll go ahead and see what this makes. It makes a yellow card. No rose, very hard to read. Very hard to read. Let's say mom's favorite color is black. What then? We'll make this full screen. All right, we're just going to go ahead and be content with the black square, all the love, laughter, and warmth, and the little gift that comes in the way. We're going to go ahead and make the present. We got fireballs and butterflies. Everything's coming out here. Let's go ahead, copy this, and press play. There we go. We got a great present for mom. She's gonna love that with the confetti and the flowers, butterflies, everything flying outside. We love that. We love you, mom. Thank you for being the best Nana in the world. If you like what you saw, or if you want to make other programs this way, go ahead and press that subscribe and like button, and we'll be seeing you later. Thank you so much.